Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Style. Style is a tool by which you can convert your any Notion page into a fully responsible and SEO optimized website. That means this styled tool will help you to convert your Notion page into a complete website. I hope you get the basic idea about this styled tool, guys, and see that saying that Notion to site in minutes, and it will take maybe not more than 15 minutes for you to convert your Notion page into a complete responsible website. So these are the things, guys. Now if you see the lifetime deal pricing of this style, guys, they're offering for every code at 39 USD. That means for every code you have to pay 39 USD, and you can stack more code, and they're saying that stack 10 codes to unlock the pro plans for unlimited website. So if you need unlimited website, then you have to stack the code 10, but for every code you can get access of one website basically. So these are the things, guys. You can get at least 10% discount on this pricing also. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this styled lifetime deal. Now, without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Styled and let's explore how you can convert your Notion page into a website. This is the dashboard of this Style, guys, and see it's very minimal and it's very easy to use. There are nothing much here basically. There have sites option. If you click here on the sites option, then you will see all your sites that you have been converted to Notion to site basically. And see, they have option for new site. Just click here new site, and here give the name of your site, and here you have to insert your Notion page URL. Let's say the site name is Passivern YouTube, and here you have to insert the Notion page URL. Now how you have to insert it, see, this is my Notion page basically, and here I have been entered one of my page in Notion. From here you have to just click on this share button in the top right corner, and from here you have to enable this share to web option. After enabling it, you will get the copy web link option. So if I just copy it, and after copying this URL, you have to just paste it here. So these are the things, guys. It's very easy to set up. After that, just click here on this create site. Then all the writings that are available on this page, see, I hope you can see this page. See, this is the page. All the writings of this page will be embedded to this website. See, this is the blog post. I hope you get idea, guys, and it's very easy to set up. After that, they have more customization option. You can add here menu, you can add here your logo. These things, see, they have option for pages. So if I go to the pages section, then here you can add more page basically, but I'll show you now how you can add more navbar. Just click here on this navbar and then enable it, and then here have simple option. Okay, let me enable it simple, and see, whenever I have been enable it, then they have one option link. This is basically one navbar, and here let's say I will add here the background as color. Okay, let's say if I add here color, and if I add here yellow, then there will be added yellow in the navbar, and if you add green, then here will be green. Also you can add here, guys, media. That means you can add here image, and you can keep here nothing. In any case, if you do not want to keep here anything, then you have to select none basically. Let's say I will keep here this color option. After that, they have logo. Here you can enable logo, and you can upload here your logo. Let's say I will upload one of my logo here. So here I have been uploaded my logo, guys. See, this is the logo, and see, the logo will be added here. And you can also change the text. Let's say here the logo will be subscribe. This will be the logo text, let's say, and here I have the color. So let's say I'll give the color as brown. Then this text color will be changed to brown. Let's say I want to keep it as yellow, then it will be changed to yellow. I hope you get idea. After that, navigation link, and here see, one option has been added, link. Only link option has been added. You can change it. Just click here on this link, and here you can change the label. Let's say here you will give home, and then it will be changed to home, and here you can link any page. Also you can add any URL. So if you here just give the link page, then you have to select the page basically. And how will you get this page, I will show you after some time guys. But in this website I haven't created any page previously, that's why I cannot see any page here. That's why I'll select here URL. Let's say you want to redirect all people to this URL. I'll copy this URL, and then here if I paste it, then whenever people will click on this home, then they will be redirected to this URL basically. These are the things guys. You can open it in new tab also. And let's say you do not want to keep here only one menu, you want to keep here more. Just click here on this plus icon, and let's say the next option will be contact us. Contact us. And here you can give any other URL if you want. And let's say I want to keep here my Facebook group URL, so I'll copy this URL, and then I'll just paste it here, and I will open it in new tab also. So in this way you can add here multiple menu in the header section. So these are the things guys. After adding these all the things, you have to just click here on this cross icon, then they will be added. After that they have footer. Now see, in the footer section they have sample option. You can add here background color, media, or none. Let's say I'll keep maybe red background in the footer. See, this is red, or let's say purple, this is purple, or let's say yellow, this is yellow. And then they have text. You can add this text here. See, this text will be added here. And reserved, all right, reserved to Passivern, let's say. You can change the text color from here. Let's say I'll select here orange, then it will be changed to orange. And if I select here green, then it will be changed to green. After that they have option for navigation link. You can add here menu option also, similarly as I have been added in the header section. And let's say here I'll give the label as maybe Passivern YouTube channel. And here I can insert my YouTube channel link. If I want to add more option here, then I have to just click on this plus icon, and then here let's say the label will be link to, and see, it has been added. And if you want to add any URL, then you can add any URL here. So these are the things guys. I hope you get idea about this footer option also, and then it will be saved automatically. After that they have option for style, and you can also enable the dark mode. See, here is the dark mode, and here is the bright mode basically. Let's say I'll keep the dark mode. And then they have option for, let's say, more option that are available. Fun, then they have take. See, this is, they have different fonts basically. Then they have elegant. See, it will be changed the style, or the style of the font. Then serious, then they have neutral, and then they have modern. You can keep any one that you need. After that they have option for background. You can add color in the background. You can add media, and you can also add none. Now let's say I'll select here blue, then see, and the background will be changed in this way. And you can also add depending on your need. See, they have option for color picker. You can also use this color picker from here, and you can use custom color in the background. So these are the things guys. And let's say I'll select here none. Okay, I'll select here none. I hope you get idea guys about this style option. And then they have code. If you want more functionality, if you want to edit these things with more condition, then you can add here your custom code also basically. After that they have option for setting, and here you can change the site name, and here have the site URL. And also if you get the lifetime deal basically from here, then if I go to the lifetime deal pricing, you can add custom domain here guys. And see, here have the option to add custom domain basically. Here is the custom domain option. You can also add your custom domain. You can add here favicon icon, and you can publish the site, or you can unpublish the site from here. You can delete the site from here. I hope you get idea, guys, about this typed platform, and it's very easy to use. And the main idea behind this tool is to convert your Notion template or Notion page into a responsive website. And then they have option for publish. Just click here publish, then it will be published basically. And then if you click here on the sites option, then you will go to the home page basically. Let it be load. See here, this is the website that I have been designed right now, and this is the previous website that I was designed basically. I hope you get idea, guys, about this typed option. Now how can you get the URL of this website? Just click here on the website and see here. You will get the URL Passivern youtube.style.page in my case basically here, and I'll copy it, and then I will open it in a new window. Let me open it and let me show you how the website will look like. See, the website will look like that. So these are the things, guys, here. I hope you get idea, and here have the clickable link that we have been added in the contact us and home section, and whenever I'll click here, then they will be redirected to our expected destination. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get the idea about this styled tool. And if you think, guys, you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this styled lifetime deal from AppSumo. You can get at least 10% discount on this pricing, guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on styled lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.